Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Both devices charged above 50% and physically close. On your iPhone, open settings to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure airplane mode is off. Once done, press and hold the side button on the Apple Watch to power it on. You'll see the pairing animation. You do this now because the watch broadcasts a pairing signal only when powered and ready. So initiating these steps immediately prevents. You now open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. This tells your phone to search for the watch's signal. Next, use the automated camera method. Align the watch face within the viewfinder until your iPhone confirms the match. If the camera fails, choose manual pairing and follow on-screen codes. Once paired, select either Restore from Backup to keep settings or Set up as new for a clean start. You do this because backups save time, while fresh setups remove legacy issues. You finish by signing into your Apple ID when prompted and deciding whether to enable features like Find My and Cellular. These services secure and extend the watch's functionality. Make sure apps and health data finish syncing. This can take several minutes, so be patient. If anything goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch. Ensure Bluetooth/Wi-Fi are active, then repeat the pairing from the watch app. That often clears transient connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.